Hey friends, let's jump straight in. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. Starting on the G, we do 2 downs. Then we're going to a G add 9. So we're just going to take our first finger, place that on the 2nd fret on the G string and mute the A string, and we do 2 ups. Back to the G, down, up, back to the G add 9, down to the G, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then go to an E minor, and we're doing the same strumming pattern. Down, down to an E sus4, up, back to the E minor, down, up, E sus4, down to E minor, down, up. Same again, but this time on the C to the C major 7. So down, C major 7, up, back to C, down, up, back to C major 7, down, and C, down, up. And then repeat that first G again. Down, up, down, up. And we just do that through 2 times there, so let's try it slowly. And that's our chorus there, and we do that through 2 times. So for our verse, we're going to start on the D, do 2 downs, D sus2, 2 ups, back to the D, down, up. So, to E minor and standard down, up, to a C, down, C add 9, so just take your little finger, add it onto the 3rd fret on the B string, do an up. Back to the C, up, down, and then just another bar, down, up, to G, down, up, back to the D, down, sus2, up to the D, down, stay on the D, down, up. Then we repeat the first part again with the D. To the E minor. To the C, all the same with the C add 9. Now we're going to do the C for another 2 more bars. Down, up. Then do G for 2 bars. E minor 2 bars. C 2 bars. And that's our verse there. So for our break, we're just doing the G for 2 bars with our down, up. Yeah. E minor the same. C the same, and back to G for 2 bars. From there we just go back to the chorus, which is the same as the intro, back to our verse again, and back to our break that we just did. And then to finish off, I'll just talk you through this nice and easy. E minor, same strumming pattern. 2 bars, C, 2 bars, G, 2 bars. And we just keep repeating that to the end. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed One Perfect Day Guitar Lesson by the Little Heroes. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, pop and glam, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.